Hey gearheads! Today's video is for anyone who's seen that dreaded P0420 code, staring back at them from their dashboard catalyst system efficiency below threshold. Don't worry, this doesn't necessarily mean you need a whole new exhaust system. There are a few ways to tackle this code, and we'll explore some DIY solutions before diving into replacements. What does P0420 mean? Simply put, the P0420 code indicates your car's catalytic converter isn't cleaning up exhaust emissions as well as it should. This can happen for a few reasons, but before we jump to conclusions, let's look at some potential fixes. What are the common symptoms of a P0420 trouble code? Check engine light illuminated, lack of power or poor acceleration, decreased fuel economy, rotten egg sulfur smell which occurs due to the incorrect amount of oxygen in the catalytic converter leading to excess sulfur in the fuel tank. Diagnosing the problem. Before diving into repairs, let's diagnose what's causing the code. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only, and consulting a mechanic is always recommended. Fixing the P0420 DIY style. Clean it out. Sometimes a clogged converter can be revived with a good cleaning. There are special catalytic converter cleaners you can add to your gas tank. Follow the instructions carefully, and then take your car for a good long drive on the highway to get things hot and burn off any deposits. Sensor savvy, faulty oxygen sensors can also trigger a P0420 code. These sensors monitor the oxygen levels in the exhaust before and after the converter. Replacing the downstream oxygen sensor, the one after the converter, can sometimes solve the issue. Leak down low. An exhaust leak before the converter can mess up sensor readings. Take a flashlight and inspect your exhaust system for any cracks or holes. A small leak can be a big problem for your P0420 code when DIY won't cut it. If you've tried these fixes and the code persists, it might be time for replacements. A bad catalytic converter itself may need to be swapped in. This is a more complex job, so consulting a mechanic is recommended. Remember, replacing a catalytic converter can be expensive, so it's always best to try these troubleshooting steps first. Bonus tip: always check your car's manual for specific recommendations related to your vehicle. Hopefully this video gave you a better understanding of the P0420 code and some options for fixing it. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever tackled a P0420 code and what method worked for you. And if you're looking for more car care tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for next week's video where we'll be diving into deciphering those weird engine noises. Thanks for watching.